There she found it. Got a hairball on here. Whoa, that's not it. Here, Muffs. Ready? Why so slow? Got it? You ready? Ready? Off into the darkness.
You need to do it during the light. See, we can watch her go get it and carry it back in her mouth.
Turn the light on in there.
I just think it's too dark in here to capture how she's got it in her mouth.
Oh, Crackers is wanting to get involved. Crackers, you're on video and you don't even know it.
Did I tell you about forcing her? I think I was telling you in my voice message how I was forcing her to get pictures, and she was cowering by the door.
I didn't get that. Ready? I wonder if I can take a picture of Crackers. Crackers! Crackers! Oh, she figured it out. Dang it.
What? Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is it, babe? You know that song Royals?
Yeah.
That was that girl. The song idea came to her when she saw a picture of, I think it was George Brett signing some baseballs.
That's what I heard.
He had on a Royals shirt.
I didn't know. Well, I read something about it on Twitter, but I didn't know if it was real. Isn't it sung by Lords? Lordes? It's been out for a while.
It's not about the Kansas City Royals, but she said she just liked the new Royals.
You ready or are you done? Muffins? Here we go. Good kitty. Alright, one more time. Ready? Go! And that is Muffins, the fetching kitty cat.